How you doing, folks? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 1959 Apache Resto-Mod. It's got patina paint. Super neat little truck. It's got all fuel injected, late model drivetrain. See all the grill and the headlight bezels and chrome bumper all new on it. It's got all new smoked glass throughout. Got Apache hot rod garage on the door, looks tough. Got some nice billet tail lights. Bow tie tailgate. Nice wood bed with some stainless strips. Just a super cool truck. Got a nice little roll pan there on the back. It's got a fuel injected 454. It's got air conditioning, power steering. It's got your serpentine set up on it. It's got aluminum radiator. Just a super cool build. It's got all 2.5-inch stainless exhaust out the back with some 3-inch stainless tips. It's got a Trans Am subframe up front with your disc brakes. Tell you, I kind of like the patina paint on this truck. Looks tough. Nice and clean doors and everything on the truck. It's got a custom interior. The gentleman that built this truck made all the armrest and the speaker enclosures for the doors. It's got all updated wiring in the truck. It's got all the digital dash. It's got tilt wheel. Got a nice set of GM buckets in it with the built-in seat belts. Nice little center console. It's got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. Got some nice billet step plates and steps there. It's got your stainless chains and everything on the tailgate. Got a lot of stainless hardware on the truck. It's got all new weather stripping. Got a nice radio enclosure that holds the AC vents and your stereo. All your controls are there in the dash. Very nicely done. Comes with the laptop and all the tuning programs. We'll fire this thing up. Got the cool little eyebrows there on the headlights. Tell you, it's a really neat truck, guys. Real cool. You run this thing down the freeway, 80 mile an hour is about 2,100 RPM. Tough out the exhaust. Just a super neat truck, guys. Ready to get in, cruise it, and let it roll. Got nice 17-inch wheels on it. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.